My name is Helena Ullgren. I work as an oncology nurse. I work in Stockholm, Sweden. I mean, the title is, I'm not going to be able to answer it because I think that's one of the problems, that we don't really have a golden standard. And so my talk will be a little bit about pointing out why it's important to start talking about not only that palliative care is beneficial and good to integrate with acute care, also that we really have to integrate it and highlight sort of what happens when we don't. And more important also, I think the concepts of early palliative care, and it's not really clear what it is. We don't have a definition of it, and I also think it's important because you know, the patient have so many caregivers today. So this is another caregiver now, and we're sort of working separately. So basically it will be mainly about how to collaborate and integrate the two, and more also point out that we don't maybe do it enough today. I think it's really important, and the whole morning now we have been hearing about it and from different aspects, and I think we are in a sort of breaking point in one way, that we need to you know, get our voices heard and actually be much better to communicate what we actually do, and not only to be a trusted profession to highlight what we do for real, more than holding hands and, you know, being compassionate. I do wish it will become more clear what we do, and perhaps also that we will value the education more. So the specialist training will be equally important to have that in an oncology setting as it would be in ICU, for example. So I hope that's going to be more clear and more developed. If you compare from the past, just seeing the program, it's much more sessions together with several disciplines, and I think that's great. So I expect that will be an improvement from before, because then you have to basically choose nursing tracks or, you know, other tumor-specific tracks. Now it's much more things together, and I also expect and hope to meet colleagues and, you know, people to work within my field, and you can exchange contacts and experiences. You don't really meet otherwise, and I also learned over the years that many questions are so similar and equal in different countries and different settings, and the problems our patients have are similar. So I think you learn from each other, and you also, it's good to widen the horizon, basically, I think. So I think it's really important.